Are you overwhelmed by the countless laptop options for college, struggling to find the perfect balance between performance, portability, and price? You're not alone. In today's video, we'll unveil the top 5 laptops that cater specifically to college students' needs. From marathon battery life to seamless multitasking, these selections are designed to elevate your academic journey. Stay tuned as we explore each option in detail. And remember, you can find links to all these products in the description below. Let's dive in. On number 5 is Apple MacBook 13-inch M3 chip. Imagine a laptop so powerful and sleek, it feels like it was crafted just for your college journey. The Apple MacBook Air 13-inch with the M3 chip is exactly that, a game changer for students seeking top-tier performance without the bulk. Its ultra-portable design makes it a breeze to carry across campus, while the vibrant 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display brings your assignments and entertainment to life. With an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, multitasking becomes effortless, whether you're diving into research or editing videos. The all-day battery life ensures you stay productive during those marathon study sessions. While the price point is on the higher side, the MacBook Air M3's blend of power, portability, and premium features solidifies its spot among the top 5 best laptops for college students. If you're aiming for excellence, this laptop is a worthy investment. At number 4 is Apple MacBook Pro M4. Imagine a laptop that not only meets but exceeds every expectation for college students. The Apple MacBook Pro M4 is precisely that, a harmonious blend of power, elegance, and endurance. Its sleek design houses the formidable M4 chip, delivering up to 25% faster performance than its predecessor, ensuring seamless multitasking from lecture notes to creative projects. The 14-inch Liquid Retina Extra display offers breathtaking clarity, making study sessions and entertainment equally immersive. With a battery life extending up to 21 hours, it stands as a reliable companion through even the longest days on campus. While the premium price might give pause, the MacBook Pro M4's unparalleled performance and longevity make it a wise investment, solidifying its place among. It's more than just a laptop, it's a gateway to unlocking your full academic potential. On number 3 is Acer Aspire 3. Imagine snagging a reliable laptop for under $300. The Acer Aspire 3, priced at just $299.99, offers a 15.6-inch Full HD display, making your study sessions and movie marathons crisp and clear. Its AMD Ryzen 3 processor and 8GB RAM handle everyday tasks like a breeze, perfect for college students juggling assignments and streaming. The spacious keyboard, complete with a number pad, enhances productivity, especially for those late-night calculations. However, with only 128 GB of storage, you might need an external drive for all your projects and photos. While it's not built for heavy gaming, its performance in business applications is commendable. When compared to other top laptops for college students, the Acer Aspire 3 stands out as a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on essential features. What are your thoughts on this affordable powerhouse? At number 2 is Microsoft Surface Pro 11. Imagine a device that seamlessly transitions from a lecture hall to a creative studio. The Microsoft Surface Pro 11 embodies this versatility, making it a top contender among the best laptops for college students. Its sleek, lightweight design ensures effortless portability, while the vibrant OLED display brings your notes and multimedia projects to life with stunning clarity. Powered by the efficient Snapdragon X Elite processor, it delivers robust performance and impressive battery life, keeping pace with your busiest days. The detachable Flex keyboard enhances its adaptability, allowing you to switch between tablet and laptop modes effortlessly. However, it's worth noting that the keyboard and stylus are sold separately, adding to the overall cost. Additionally, some applications may face compatibility issues due to the ARM-based architecture. Despite these considerations, the Surface Pro 11 stands out as a dynamic tool for students seeking power and flexibility in their academic journey. Now moving to the last one is ASUS Zenbook 14 Pro. Imagine wielding the power of a high-end workstation in a sleek, portable frame. Enter the ASUS Zenbook 14 Pro OLED, a marvel that redefines what's possible for college students seeking top laptops. Its 14.5-inch OLED display delivers breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making both study sessions and entertainment truly immersive. Under the hood, the Intel Core i9-13900H processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU ensure seamless multitasking and the capability to handle demanding applications, from graphic design to video editing. The spacious keyboard and innovative ASUS style enhance productivity, offering intuitive control over creative software. However, it's essential to note that this powerhouse comes with modest battery life and a premium price tag. Yet, for those prioritizing performance and display quality, the Zenbook 14 Pro OLED stands tall among the top 5 laptops for college students. Choosing the right laptop for college can be daunting, but after evaluating the top contenders, the Apple MacBook Air 13-inch M3 emerges as the standout choice for students. Its powerful M3 chip ensures smooth performance across tasks, from note-taking to multimedia projects. The ultra-portable design, weighing just 2.7 pounds, makes it ideal for campus life, and the exceptional battery life keeps you powered throughout the day. While the base specs may be modest, the MacBook Air's balance of performance, portability, and longevity makes it a worthy investment for your academic journey. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.